Subscribe and click the bell icon for the latest updates and notifications from the Indian Express.
Not that I want to die, but yeah, people just want to kill me in films. But I just want to know what people are up to all across the world. 90% of the gossips are not true about anyone, not just me. Do some Photoshop on your picture and they put it out. See what happened to this actress. Feel like I used to be so young. Hi, this is Disha Patni and you're watching me on IndianExpress.com. I really wanted to experience working with him, and he is such a great person. He's very easy to work with and he makes everyone feel very comfortable on set. When we are shooting, we are working, it's your job, you're there, you have to give your 100%, especially if you're doing stunts. You have to be very careful because one wrong move and you break your leg and you're gone for a month to rest. And it's a lot of production, there's a lot of production value, you can't waste somebody's money because the sets are built and stuff like that. So while you're thinking about all that and saving your life, I don't think anybody has the time to think about the other things that he's supposed to be in love, I'm supposed to be in love. You just do your job, come, do your job, go back home. First day on set, I remember I had to jump from a fire ring and do a front salto and land, which was pretty hard. But yeah, that was the first day exciting, I guess. And yeah, we did a lot of crazy stuff, being on a ring, standing on a ring, catching Salman sir, being on a bike. My first film was kind of ensemble also, and it's so nice to be in a frame with, see, honestly for me, I'm still new. I'm not from here and I'm always in awe of all these actors working and giving such different performances, and it's an opportunity for me to be a part of a film with such great cast. I mean, you have Katrina, Salman sir, Tabu ma'am, Jackie Shroff, all these people. I mean, it's a great opportunity. So I think like that. I mean, I'm not someone who's into competition and all that. And I feel every artist is different. You should never ever compare anyone. So yeah, it's a lovely thing that I have so many people and him being in a different show. Imagine shooting for all this chaos, circus, stunts, bikes. It's not easy, trust me. It's risky. There's a lot happening behind the scene, but he's someone who knows exactly. You come on set, this is one shot, this is one shot, this is one shot, this is we are taking from where. Because a lot of directors come and they think, oh, maybe we can do this, maybe we can do this angle. But he knows exactly what he wants. He doesn't waste time and he shoots everything so beautifully, as you can see. I love to be at home. I'm a loner. I have 3 pets. I'm a mother to 3 kids. And usually it's good to be home. I don't know. I like when I'm free, when I have nothing to do, I like being home, having my coffee, doing online shopping, like a normal girl, And I think because I've stayed away from my family for so long, they don't live with me. I do see them, but it's not like very often. I don't see my friends very often. So I feel like I've become used to living alone. So when I'm in a surrounding with a lot of people, I get very awkward. Dogs of Instagram and all these pages, honestly, and I try not really like having a lot of Bollywood people, because then again my world becomes very small. It's all about Bollywood. I want to have people from different areas of life doing different things.